So hello guys, today I will explain you project number 59, my hobby. So here these are instructions, and project number 58, we don't have to delete that. We have written my favorite hobby paragraph, we have written para, we don't have to delete, we have to just continue with it. So here what we have to do, we will change the background of my hobby. Here it is there. Yes, we will change the background of this, and we will add these two, about and favorite book. Then when we will scroll down, it should show here is my favorite book, here is my favorite book, and it should show Malala photo. Here it is there. Then if we click on it, so this is optional. If we want, we can do what when we will click on Malala. So it should take me to a new page, and it will show information all about Malala. So if we want to do, we can do, or it is fine. So your project template is also given. So if we don't know anything, so we can do from template, we can take help. Template is not for copying all the codes, it is for just a better understanding. If we have any difficulty during the project, we can take help from template. Now we will continue. So here I have done the code already, but here some errors are there we have to see. Now this part we have done till here, and we have closed HTML body. Now we will continue. So HTML, then head, title, my hobby, title is closed. Then link rel style sheet href equals to style.css, link href, here link is there. Then rel equals to style sheet, head is closed. Then body, then ul class equals to menu, li class equals to link, href hashtag about. Then favorite book that I have shown, we have to add two menu buttons. One is about and second is favorite book. Now this is section id equals to welcome. Then h1 hobby, h1 is closed, section is closed. Section id equals to about. Now h1 about, h1 closed. And div class equals to line, div is closed. Now paragraph class equals to para. Now para it is written. We can continue with this project, but first of all we have to revise the previous project so that we don't forget it, we can remember it. If we won't remember, then we can continue with next projects. So here paragraph is there, that my paragraph is there, my hobby is reading interesting and knowledgeable books. Then para is closed, section is closed, section id equals to book. Then h1, here is my favorite books and reviews on it. Now this is the project. Here is my favorite book and reviews on it. Now here div class equals to line, div is closed. Here it is there, image source, image is there. Here it is written, fill in the source of the iframe tag below to Malala. So if we want, we can take iframe also. Now div class equals to jj. Now ahref, I think this is Wikipedia of, I will just see what it is Wikipedia. First I will live test what it is showing. Okay. Now target equals to blank, click here to my favorite book of all time. Now anchor is closed. Then div, section is closed, body is closed, HTML is closed. Now style.css. Now Body text align center. This is the previous project. Body text align. It's 11:30. Body text align center. Background linear gradient, and here hex is written. Image width 700, height 700, border radius is 50%. Then my name. Font family is cursive, and welcome padding 25 is there. Welcome H1 is font size is 40px. 40px is fine, so we have done for 40px. And font size is 18px, and font size 18px. After that, for H1 we have given font size 18px, and for paragraph, P means paragraph, font size is at 18px also. Now color is there, hashtag is written, then 6 capital A, 1 capital B, 9 capital A, hex is written. Now H2 font size 20px, color is written. We can set to any color. If we will take our arrow to the color, to the hex, it will show color above. Here also. Yes. Now line height is 6px, background color black, width 70px, margin 80px, auto is there. We can delete auto also, or it is fine. Now about, hashtag about, we have given the about, so now we will work on it. Hashtag about, padding top 40px. Now we will set today's 43. Font size 43px and font size 43px. Background color is pink. I can set to any other, it is fine. But now menu life list style. Now menu list style none. Font family cursive is there. Float right. We can set the float. Font family is cursive, but we want float on right left, so we can set it. Now top 10px, right 30px, cursor is there, pointer, color black. Menu A, dot menu A. This is dot menu, this is dot menu A. Color black, exclamatory mark important. Now dot link. Color crimson. It will show the color. This is type of red, but we can't say this is red. We can say as crimson color. Now display inline, padding top 5px, padding left 9px, padding right 9px is also, padding bottom is 5px. Now dot link over, and before we give a menu hashtag, we give my name, hashtag welcome, hashtag my name, body, paragraph, H1 or anything. So we have to open curly bracket, and when it is done we have to close curly bracket. It is necessary. Now dot link over, background color is there. The color is this, somewhat type of white, or we can't say white, it is creamy type of. Now hashtag video, padding top 40px, font size 42px, and background color is dark salmon. Hashtag video A. Now font size 30px, then button, we have closed curly bracket, then button is there. Background color we have wrote, we can see background color light blue type. Now this is border none, color is white, and padding is 15px, 32px. Text align center, text decoration we can set, but I've been done. Display inline block, font size 16px. Now A, so we have closed curly bracket. Now A. Now text decoration is none. Now it is done. Here index is done, all index HTML is done, and today's project is also done. And here on style.css also we have done previous one and today's one, so we have to remember it. So today I have showed you previous class also, that means 58 project also I have showed what is the code, and 59 also for HTML also and CSS also, both. This is, we can delete this. Now we will live test. I have explained the code. Now here you can see when I am moving my cursor to about or favorite book, background color is changing in type of creamy color but more dark. Then background color is there. Here background color is different, and here it is different, here it is different. So hobby it is there. Then we have set about, and there here we have wrote paragraph. My hobby is reading interesting and knowledgeable books in my free time. Whenever I go to home from my school, I like to read such books after completing my homework. I am 12 years old and read in class 7th standard. Now I know very well that reading is very good habit which can make me a complete. This hobby can be developed by anyone. However, I got this naturally. Reading books keep one always happy and busy. It is the good source of enjoyment, knowledge, inspiration and instruction. It makes us disciplined, loyal, punctual, and most importantly a successful person in the life. So whatever our favorite hobby is that we can set it to. So if suppose my favorite hobby is playing cricket or hockey, so we can set it, but my favorite hobby is reading books only, and I got the project of this topic only. So we can set it to anywhere whichever our favorite hobby is there. Now here this part, this is previous project part till here, and this is today's. So here it is written, here is my favorite book and reviews on it. So it means here are my favorite books and there are reviews on it. Now, and this underline we can see below about and below, here is my favorite book and reviews on it. That underline we have done code, and here we have done image. Iframe is what, if here we can see the image, it is on circle, but if we put the iframe it will show on us on type of square, but corners will not there. I think corners will be hidden. Now here we have taken the image, then here we have taken the click here to view my favorite book all time. So when we will click here, Harry Potter it is showing. So it means whichever our favorite book is there, we can set the link to it. So here we have set the link. You can see here Harry Potter link. Whichever favorite book are there, or horror books, any of. So it is fine horror. It is fine for Harry Potter that I have taken. So when I will click here to view my favorite book. So it will show Harry Potter, Danny, any book. And there is one thing also, if we will click on image, so it will show me a new tab, new page, and it will show all the information on Wikipedia. We can take anything, all the information on Malala. So I have taken this image. I am Malala. I have taken this image from Google only. Now here our project is done. HTML also and style.css also. Now I will show you on Google. We can just search Malala images and we can get, I have chosen this one. We can just copy image address or we can save it like this. Right click and copy image address. Now if we have any difficulty on project, so we can click on template and simply we can download zip folder and we can open it. Then automatically on desktop we will get a folder and there template will there, and we can go on brackets and when we will open our brackets, they will, when we will open our brackets in top, it will show brackets, and beside it, it will show file. And when we will click on file, we can search the name of the folder that it has saved on desktop, and we can open the template on brackets. So all the codes will come. It is not like Thunkable we open template, but it is somewhat, but it is easy. So here our project is done. I will meet you in next project, that is project number 60. So bye guys, thank you.